Afternoon, guys. I'm off out wild camping in the Galloway forest. So we're going to do some campfire cooking, do my usual, have fun. I've just finished work about half an hour ago. It's about 5:30, so I'm hoping to be here for about 6:30. So I'm camping with Derek and Kenny. I'll put a link to Derek and Kenny's channel below in the comment section and in the description. So yeah, it'll just be like a little chill camp, little overnighter type thing. I was hoping to go out this weekend and do maybe like 2 nights or something, but yeah, Ollie's got his Taekwondo championships this weekend, so I'll be busy at that, so I can only get out for a night. So I'll bring you in a bat when I get there, guys. I think I'm about halfway there, so I'll give you a look where I am.
To get the fire established.
Is this the loch we're at, yeah?
Aye.
It's not very big.
At the top of the loch's down there. So it is, there's a big car park, there's some cracking camp spots other way down here. Right down the bottom.
I've made it in. Derek says to me, how did you get in here, right? And I says that the gate was open. I says, oh, they just opened it for me. I think Derek thought I had a key. I reckon he's got a key for the forest gates, hasn't he?
No.
I reckon he has. But he's saying he hasn't, but...
It's top secret.
Yeah, this is the secret spot. This is just...
Some special ranger.
Did we hear that? Some special ranger. So this is the secret spot that we're at. You've probably seen me before. I showed another part of the secret spot.
You know the end of that was here doing a wee dance.
Have you been here before, Derek?
I was here with Karina. We were sitting down and I was doing a dance, so it was... Mind you, that was after a good whack of wine.
But no, I'm only joking. This isn't the secret spot.
No.
Listen, I'm only like an hour away from this.
Right in the door.
Oh, it's so good. I like locked in, but it's getting a bit ruined.
Yeah.
With too many people, so...
There's still some wee secluded spots away up the back at the room, again, the further you travel.
But I do like this. Look at this. Somebody's had a huge big fire. Look. Burnt all the roots, look. But yeah, there we go. So, I think that's where Kenny... I'll probably try and go here or somewhere. So, just giving you a little look where I am. I think Derek and Kenny's out for a fortnight again with the amount of wood. That's actually less wood than you brought the last time, so...
It is just slightly, yes.
That's just a little bit of wood. That'll be enough for an hour, won't it?
Just maybe for an hour. Enough to get the cooking on, to get the tea on.
Oh yeah, Kenny says he's cooking. What are you cooking, Kenny?
Cheese toast with onions, mate.
Oh yeah, he did say that, and I says that the amount of grief I got for my cheese toasty.
That's just because they're jealous.
Nah, it was... I will say that cheese toasty was 2,000 calories, so it was a lot. I put a lot of cheese on it.
Are you going to keep fit or anything like... I remember the lads making fun of your tatty diet and that year.
I see my potato... I go through... I think that's why I was getting grief, Kenny, because I go through these diets when it's like... I'll leave that out. It's a load of crap.
I should probably go on the diet that Kenny's on, healthy eating diet, and the one that Derek's on.
The best diet is no healthy eating because we eat all the crap under the sun.
Well, the matter running.
Exercise, Stuart, exercise.
I know I do. I need to do. I have lost weight, but I'm still far too big.
You've got to take, just talk to the time. Take the time. My bottle of wine's just warming there, nice and slowly.
But Derek and Kenny do some amount of cycling and running and
hiking.
They do tons. So yeah, I need to do more of that, don't I? But yeah, I'll cut the toasties out. I'll video it, but it's not all mine's, right? It's Kenny's and Derek's, right?
And you'll see it later on.
So yeah, it's just a little look to show you where I am, and I'll put the tent up, right? There we go. We've resorted to having the actual fire just as an open fire. The fire pit was already here for somebody that, if somebody comments to say blah 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 blah. We were going to have it in that bucket, but it wasn't really working out.
Let's get back to 360.
There's Derek's got his ranger hat on. What's your catchphrase, Derek?
Wish you were here!
Yeah, I was going to invite you, but Derek says you can't come. I'm only joking.
No, Stuart's right.
But yeah, I finally put my tent up. I must have been here for about an hour. Probably about an hour and a half. It's 8 o'clock, right? But too busy talking. So, I'll give you a look. I finally set up 2 minutes ago there. Using the Halliburg. Got the red one, so... Oh yeah, I got myself a new bag. Look. Can you see it? So, it's a Osprey one. I'll need to do a video with it. But here we go, I've got my table. I'm going to have a little whisper for dinner. I've got some baby corn. I'm going to have that for dinner. I've got some red onions and I've got some pork chops. Chinese pork chops. Eddie's favourite, Scots Wild Camper, but they're all mines. All mines. So, there's my setup. Using the Arctic sleeping bag. And I'm using the Van Gogh sleep mat. I've got the reflective mat in the bottom that I always use. It's the same setup. Got my through night torch up there. I've brought my big spotlight thing with me as well. So, and there's Kenny's setup. Kenny's under the 4x4 tarp, the DD one. I'll give you a look. He's got the under blanket. Sorry, it's a little bit dark under there. But hammock. So we're not that far for the car. Look, my car's up there. Good little spot this. I'll show you Derek's setup. He's in the truck again. So there we go. Look. Got a mattress. Look. Memory foam. Lovely. So. Oh yeah, I forgot my chair. I got myself a new chair. Go and get my chair actually. So this is on the, just off the road is where we are, look. Galloway Forest. So I'll give you a look at my new chair that I treated myself to. My other chair had broke, so I thought I would buy a new one. There we go. It's just a cheap one. I bought from Asda. Ozark Trail one, orange. So I'll take that down.
He sits down there, smokes his pipe, points his camera at the fire and just talks. That's it. Oh, I'll listen to ours. This is a Densham Ranger fire. Densham Danger. I'll not be looked for me, it'll be bloody boiling. Big red beauty, and do your worst! I've got to do it, didn't I? Wee Ollie!
Yeah, that's the Ollie dance. I've not done that for a long time, but I've seen that, I've done that. When was it with Derek? 2 weeks ago? I done it 2 weeks ago. Oh.
I said you were the best dancer, Stuart. The rest of them got a bit of catching up to me.
I seen that comment, Kenny, that you put that. Kenny says I'm the best dancer, but see, to be honest, it's a dance, isn't it? Oh. But there we go, so we've got the fire.
Glenn jealous.
I know Glenn wouldn't do it, wouldn't he not?
No.
Oh, yeah, you need to do the dance, Glenn. We're challenging Glenn to do the dance. But yeah, we've got the fire going, guys.
Well, that'll be the fire gun I need you, that's it. It's that cold if I had it.
My camera's getting a bit out of focus there, but that's us. This is where we'll be sitting tonight, round that fire looking at it. I did say to Kenny, have you not got a chair? But I see he's got a pile of logs to sit on. But you can't beat this. I'm going to use Derek's phrase and say, you could be sitting in the house watching Crossroads in Coronation Street, or you could be out here with a handsome stranger.
That's a Densham Ranger fire.
That is a fire, isn't it? I've seen people that go out camping and they've little fires, but see when you come out with Derek, that is what you call a fire. That is a fire. I'm about 10 feet away from that fire and I can feel it.
I think my Japanese jacket probably have a couple of spark holes in them on.
Oh, see, I've stuck on my army softy jacket because the smell of the fire gets everywhere, so. And I can always wash this tomorrow. But that'll be us. I'll just be sitting around the fire. I'll bring you back when I was in cooking.
Cheese toasties shortly.
Cheese toasties. So.
We'll get to the ashes stage and then we'll get a cooked and that and then we'll...
So it's dinner time, guys. I've chopped myself some red onions. I'm going to get them on the fire.
Time for cheese toast.
Derek's having cheese toasty, so I'll video that as well. But there's my onions chopped up. I've got some baby corn over here as well. Chop that up as well. So I've got some baby corn. I love baby corn. I don't know what it is, but I've just got a thing about baby corn at the moment. There's like 10 calories or something. That's not a lot in it. So having that, and I've got the pork chops.
After that toast is cooked, that'll give us another toast each.
So we've got the dinner on, guys. Look. Oh, that's a good picture. I should get a picture of it. Oh, I need to Instagram that, look at that. But it's all mines, all mines.
Oh well, I'm having the black bunting.
Right, Derek was making a cheese toasty. He watched my video and says that he wants to make one. Ah,
That's yours, Stuart.
How does it taste, Derek? How would you rate that out of 10?
Aluminium. Aluminium.
All mines, all mines.
There you go, Derek, for the kindling.
There we go, for people that say I burn my food. Look,
I don't recommend burnt toast.
Derek's the master at burning cheese toasty. Oh.
Look at that. Too long.
So there we go, guys, that's my Chinese pot steaks. I'll give them a flip over so that you can see. Look, they are a little, maybe a little bit burnt, but
You could actually toast them in the foil if you want to. Oh, aye, definitely, aye.
a little bit burnt. Not as burnt as Derek's toasty, but
I'll put it somewhere for fire.
so I'm going to get my onions and that on next.
Fried, I think, Vic. I remember that last time they were quick. Burnt toast, good for the breath.
I thought Derek threw that away, but he's eating it. Kenny put us in the fire.
I'm hungry.
But yeah, there's my pot steaks ready. I've got my onions cooking away there. My onions and my baby corn. Give it a little.
Nicely. Oh, lovely that.
Right, there we go, guys. I just bought one of these last week. I bought one because Derek and Colin had one. But look, I don't know how that managed to melt that like that. But there we go, it's right through the actual, look, and it's actually buckled there. But mine's is still here, look. There's my one, so we know the next time not to leave it on so high a heat. But there we go, we'll bin that, we won't leave that. That'll be getting binned in 2 minutes. Let's see if my dinner's ready. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that. So, dinner time. But there we go, guys, there's my dinner ready. Baby corn, red onions, Chinese pot steaks. But I would share, but it's all mine, all mines.
It's not like it.
Nah.
Get this all over here. Get us all in the footage. Your seat in the back.
That looks good. You look like an Indian sitting there. Derek. Arr.
Ow. Aye, grass is great. Bring your seat off. That's one. Nice and toasty. on there, packet of fish and chips if you want them.
I know. For a bit of meat.
Get sausages in one. I've got the cook stove and the pots there and I'll just chuck sausages in and get them cooked up.
Magic. I don't know. I think you'll be alright.
Give them all a big way.
Wish you were here!
You know, get your video.
Watch you, so that's good.
I've never done a live video. Ken, he does them, but he does them and the video quality's always crap.
Colin Russell was watching us.
Can you see who's watching it, yeah?
I was watching it as we were live, aye. See,
Brilliant.
he's on my friends list, so he'll probably get notified when we're live straight away, sort of thing, like
probably,
that. And that's upload complete, so I can it so.
He'll be wishing he'd came now, won't he?
Yeah, well, exactly. That's why you say, wish you were here.
But I think his wife is trying to come all the time.
Aye. Aye, he's got to, maybe your night, if he sacrifices a Saturday, he's got to come
Yeah.
on Friday.
That's what happens when you get kids, isn't it?
Aye.
But when you make the time, it's enjoyable.
Oh, aye. Good thing is, as you say, this is a Friday night. We've still got Saturday and Sunday, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. This will be fine.
Magic.
I'm trying to get Molly to come with me more, Kenny.
Aye.
Then
Good.
I can try and come every week. But he went with me last week, and as soon as it get dark, he's like, right, that's us. We're going home, Dad.
I don't like the dark.
As soon as I put the camera on, he's like, I'm enjoying it, Dad. I put the camera off, and he's like, I'm bored here, Dad. He plays up for the camera.
Aye.
But he did enjoy it in the morning.
Good.
But as soon as it was like 6:30, he was like, right, that's us, let's go.
Aye, it starts to kind of get dark when we go, know what we're going to do now. I reckon that the footage, I've got tons of footage, I'll make a good 20-minute video.
Oh,
I like to do big long videos.
Aye.
I like my big long. I've done one at 2 hours, that's too long.
I like
Once I went away with Ken,
Aye.
that's too...
I don't know, if you keep them interested in that, and I love what I can sit down and I watch epic videos and that, and guys on their campings and they go on basically canoe trips, that kind of stuff, like, you know what I mean, or hiking or whatever, like, you know.
Oh, aye, it's not as it captures you and that, you can.
I've sat down and watched them for 2 hours and that sort of thing, like, and some of them are really good.
Sit down and watch them on a Sunday or something like that.
Joe Robin, he does big long ones, don't they?
Aye.
Like 3 hours, and sometimes they're too long.
I'll leave my light on in case anybody gets up at the end of the Jeep, so I'll do the same, and I'll bring mine over across and put it across the day.
There's a fire still burning away, guys. So, good night. It's about 11 o'clock, something like that. There's my tent all lit up, look. Off to bed. I might have a hot chocolate, actually. I never thought, yeah, I should stick my hot water on. That's what I might do. I might have a hot chocolate. Made myself a little lid. My Trangia, that's the Mark II that I'm using. Going to have a little hot chocolate before I go to bed. Derek chopped the rest of the wood on, so got myself a little hot chocolate, guys. It's the Whisper one. If we can see that, can we? The Whisper. So I'm using the Crusader cup. There's a little fire over there, look, where we were. So, off to bed. So, going to enjoy the little hot chocolate before bed. Heat me up. I'm not that cold, to be honest, I'm really warm. I've got my down jacket, not down, sorry, the softy jacket on. So yeah, I'm pretty toasty. So, I'm going to get ready for bed, jump in, might play the phone. But, so, right guys, I'm going to zip the tent up. I'll catch yous in the morning. Far too much stuff with me. See, when you come car camping, you can bring absolutely everything. And I've brought far too much. So, good night guys. Morning guys. The fire's still actually burning away. Morning. It's about 7 o'clock. So I'm going to get up. Might have a little Whisper for breakfast maybe. Or maybe a coffee. Lovely morning. It was lovely. It wasn't even cold last night. It was lovely and toasty. I think it got to like 5 degrees or something like that. But I had the softy jacket on, so.
What a cracking night. A good sleep in the back of the Jeep.
So, morning guys. Can you hear the birds tweeting away? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Lovely. I like this little spot. Can't mention where it is because people come and they destroy it, so. But I'm sure people will know what I mean. Like, we don't want to ruin good spots. So, there's where my tent was, there's where Kenny was. Derek was up in the truck. There's the still burning away. That was like 11 o'clock we went to bed, and it's now 7 in the morning, 20 past 7. I'll give you a little look where I am. Really nice. I like this. Might need to fish this one time. Apparently there's fish in here, so have a look at that, look. Like this, really nice. Very nice. It is pretty chilly. My breath's... You can see my breath. See what temperature it is actually. Apparently it's 3 degrees at the moment, so it must have got down to about 1 or 2 last night, I'm guessing. So 3 degrees. But there we go. I do love that little. Does that not look good? Look at that. So I'm probably going to pack my gear up and head back home. Me and Sarah's going out for today, and then Ollie's get his Taekwondo championship tomorrow. So enjoyed this. So thank you. Thanks for watching.
Alright, that's us. It's time to leave now, so it is. But what a fantastic Friday, and I'm glad that we brought yous along with us. So to everybody, I can't stress it enough. Get yourselves out, enjoy yourself, stop watching Coronation Street and Crossroads, and hit the outdoors. What do you say, guys? Yay!
So that's us, guys. We're all packed up. There's where my tent was. I think it was here. So no mess been left. We had the little fire over here. It's been all put out. And but lovely. I do like this little spot. Really nice. Definitely going to camp here again. Amazing. Look at that. Nothing but wilderness. Ah, how cool is that? Is that very nice? It is even better that you can bring your car. Look, so lazy. Walk from my car. So, I do want to say thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for Derek and Kenny to invite me down camping. So, thanks, guys. So, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you.